Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can successfully get a refund here on Kakobuy. So first thing that you should know is that you have to check the order status and policy. So before requesting a refund, make sure that your order qualifies for a return refund. So usually refund are for damaged items, defective products, incorrect shipments, or if the items never arrives. So you have to contact the Kakabay customer support. So you can go here and then you have the user center. Okay. And then you can contact them. You just have to reach out for their support. Okay. So next thing that you should know is that you can use the Kakabuy's return refund system if available in your account. So you can log in into your account. You can go to your order history. Okay, and then you can select the item you want refunded. So you can hit the request for refund or return, and then you just have to upload photos and details. So they should give you return instructions and a timeline once you submit it. Next is they return the item if required. So if they approve a refund requires sending the item back, package the item safely, use the return label or instruction Kagobuy provides, and then you can track the return shipment until they received it. So once they confirm the refund, so the refund should be processed to the original payment method, and then you just have to wait for the refund to be processed. So things that you have to consider, okay, to increase your chances of successful refund. So you have to always take clear videos or photos before opening the package, and then keep all communication in writing and start the process soon. Refund return windows may be limited and use secure payment methods like PayPal, credit card that offer dispute protection. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.